Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the Sony SRS XB10 Bluetooth speaker. I want to show you guys how to pair that to your iPhone 8. Now on your iPhone 8, you want to go to where it says settings. So head over to the settings and go to Bluetooth and power on the Bluetooth as the first step so that it can search for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. Now while it's doing that, let's go over to the Sony. Now your Sony, we're gonna go to where the power on button is. So first make sure the Bluetooth speaker is completely off, and we're gonna hold down this button here until you hear this beep sound, and make sure the lights are flashing rapidly, which is the pairing mode. So if you do it the first time and it doesn't work, just do it another time, and when you hear the beep sound means that it's in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and hold it down one time. Alright, so go ahead and hold it down again. Okay, and then when you hear that beep sound and the lights are flashing rapidly like this, it's in pairing mode. And when it's in pairing mode, it should show up on your phone. When you see it, tap on it one time, you hear a tone sound play when it's fully paired. Okay, and that's basically it, guys. So it's not connected, and that is it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.